Hey guys, what's going on? B Craig here with BCraigTrades. It's been some time since my last video, but I'm trying to save some content for my upcoming course I have. So I'm trying to just not give away everything right now and save everything I have for the paying people who are paying for that course. And then on top of that, the market's just been just shitty this week. Besides today, the past 2 days have been so frustrating. I didn't even want to think about the markets after 4 o'clock, honestly. But today was a new day. Tech rallied. Things came back into motion. The market's looking, pretty much back to the normal swing of things. There was a huge rotation on Monday and Tuesday, and you couldn't really see exactly where the money was going with like bank stocks and some industry like coal and mining stocks. It's kind of weird, because most of the time it's just tech stocks that get the most love in this market, but it's kind of hard to find it, and the market was washing people out intraday, which is kind of weird. As you can see, like a day like today, like it's a Tesla stock, just it shot up all day long for the most part. But Tuesday and Monday, it was just all over the place, and just like I said, washing people out. So I just want to make a quick little trade recap video over trades I had did. What am I doing? Okay, sweet. So today I was just cleared about $1,500 for today. Went 3 for 6. The Tesla play is I'm still actually holding this. I had grabbed this out of FOMO at the end of the day, about 3 o'clock or so, and I'm gonna hold that until tomorrow and see if Tesla can continue to rally. I tried to play Nikola earlier today, but that didn't work out. So I'm cutting my losses very short, as you can see. And I had AMD, and this one was up a good about 180, and then it kind of like dropped off, and it shook me out. But if I would have held it, I would have made money. This is what the chart looked like. I think I was. This is when I was writing it down. See, 1 o'clock, 16, 2. So it's about like right over here. Then kind of like dropped down kind of hard, but it rallied back up. And this is kind of where it shook me out. But I was in all over here. But of course, my option premium was kind of getting ate up just because they're expired on Friday. So like it would go up and then literally like just up and down for the most part. It wasn't really staying in the green. And it shook me out a bit. But I'm not really worried about it. I only lost 90 or $136 on that. Like I said, that was sometimes you just have to get out of a trade. I wish I would have held. But yeah, so that's one trade. I took an L on. Then Nikola took an L. The Tesla, I'm still swinging until tomorrow, so I won't count that for right now. But I also did play Apple, Microsoft, and Boeing. So I played Boeing off the open this morning because it kind of tanked really hard. And and it was right here trading on that one support level at that 183 level that I had marked out already. Thank God I actually had these support and resistance levels here because it really helped me out. So off the open, I think I had wait like a couple of candles, like 3 minutes or so. Then I went ahead and hopped in, and then continued to tank down. And then after that, the next level was 180, then dropped below 180, and I rode it all the way down just about to 176. And then once I got like 2 green strong candles, that's when I went ahead and sold my position, and I was able to make $1,000 now. Yeah, 1,100. So I was up max 1,300 or so. But 1,100, 1,300 at that point. At that point, doesn't make that big a difference. I'm just happy to be in the green. After that, I did take Apple. I think I traded Apple next. I believe Apple next. I think I did. I think Apple was next. But this is the Apple chart had looked like today. Everything kind of dropped off this morning. Then market kind of found itself, and then steady increase for the most part into the day. Tanked down a little bit, midday around 1 o'clock ish, and then back to highs and trading like how it normally is. But yeah, this Apple trade I was able to make 255, and was I following flow on Apple? Let's see. I think I was just looking at the chart on Apple, but I did use the flow to kind of direct me in what I wanted to do. Yeah, so I traded Apple kind of earlier this morning ish. I remember all this call flow was coming in. Yeah, it was around like 10ish in the morning. Let's see, we'll be able to see right here. Orders. Yep, about 10. It was on 10 a.m. when I had bought Apple. Yeah. So I bought Apple around 10 a.m. and let's see what chart where is that? It's right around here. So when it tanked down, probably bought more and went up. So what I've been doing lately to kind of save myself my money, my portfolio, and everything. I usually always go in 10 hard contracts and then level up or scale back or up or down from there. what I've been doing actually is getting about 4 or 5 contracts, because a lot of times I would actually get, right at the high and then it would dip down and then it goes back up. So like the least amount of contracts I get at first, I can kind of eat some of that, that loss. And then, once it kind of corrects itself, that's when I go ahead and buy more contracts on the way up to kind of accumulate, get back those losses or wherever it is. And that's kind of working out better, because if you're buying, 10 contracts up here, you go all the way down, that's a lot of money. But you only have a couple, 3 or 4, so you can kind of ride that out and then, make it back up on the upward trend right there. But yeah, so that was my Apple trade for today. I was kind of happy Apple came back into it because I got destroyed in Apple earlier this week. But it was nice to see Apple trading, have some normalcy. It was up 3% today. And actually 3% is not even really a lot, but the markets and tech stocks is getting slammed lately, so it kind of is compared to what's been happening to it. And my next trade was Microsoft. So I actually had one of the members of my Discord group call this out. I think he jumped into Microsoft, and I went ahead and looked at the chart really fast, and I had jumped into it also. There was a lot of flow coming into this name. I'll show you guys some of that. Yeah, this is what the Microsoft chart had looked like. But yeah, he had jumped into it. He alerted me to it. I went ahead and looked at it, really a quick glance, and just jumped right in a couple contracts, and then scaled it up from there. And this is actually a good trade. It went for about $500, so I can't complain. And this is one of the top earners today, or top gainers today, excuse me. In trade, look at that. Mostly all call volume today. Once it got to it shut up, and once it got to be around 11 o'clock, kind of leveled out a little dips here or there, and then continue to hit highs. But yeah, you can kind of tell the market was back to normal today because usually, the most active calls are always your Tesla, Apple, Facebook, Intel. And look, these are all the tech stocks. The stocks that were getting hammered, Monday and Tuesday, they're back at. And this actually looks normal to me, Usually Tesla has around between 30 and 50 million traded, and usually Apple after that, Facebook of course, Amazon's usually up there sometimes, and you got Intel, AMD. AMD was another one that did pretty well today, and then Nvidia. So yeah, that's it for my trades today, guys. Like I said, I was able to make about $1,500. Hopefully I can do the same again tomorrow. I'm hoping for some continuation in Tesla tomorrow. We'll see what that does. Also Tesla, Microsoft, premiums will be a little bit cheaper since we're getting towards the end of the week if you are playing weeklies. But if you are playing weeklies, be very careful playing those as you do have decay and they're super volatile. So be super careful on that. I think that's about it. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Join the Discord channel. The link is in the description, and I'll pin the first comment with the link to the Discord channel also. I like to call out my trades in there. It's all free. I've been doing it for a while now. But yeah, I like to call out my trades in there. We help each other out. And actually, you know what? I meant to shout out to CivTech in my Discord channel. He actually pointed out that Microsoft trade to me. He's actually getting pretty good at calling out some order flows coming in, so I'm happy to see members of the Discord channel being able to use a software like BlackBox stocks in order to make gains. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and see you soon.